Welcome back to the channel. On this video, it's quite an interesting little thought I had. Now, with my why video the other day, I'm always thinking about why I'm doing it. Am I doing the right thing? Am I not doing the right thing? And very simply, when I'm trying to understand things like inflation, costs, value, I had a look at, I know I posted on, I think I posted on a short a little while ago about silver and gold over a 5-year period. Well, I looked deeper than that, and I'll put the charts up at the end of this one. And I looked over a 20-year period, so I looked back to 2003. Now, I think at the start point, I think it was May or June 2003, 3 ounces of silver. How much would I I think was it 3? No, 4 ounces of silver. Sorry, beg your pardon. These are approximate figures, give or take a little bit. Not a lot, pence here in the UK. But 4 ounces. How much would it cost me to buy 4 ounces of silver back in 2003 in June, I think it was? And the answer was £10. I think these were about £2 and pence, £2 and some pence an ounce, which wouldn't that be cool today? Now, if I wanted to buy these today, currently, approximately, give or take a little bit, it would cost me 120. Just over 30 quid a coin, 36912. A little bit more than that with the VAT from a dealer, brand new. That's crazy. Now, if that does not beggar a question, in 20 years, 4 ounces of silver is 4 ounces of silver. That hasn't changed. That's still the same. Exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4 ounces of silver. I haven't cut it in half. I haven't doubled it or anything. Look at the difference. What the hell's going on there? Yeah, we've got an inkling of what the hell's going on there. What? Aren't we in a pickle? This stuff here, how comes it's so inflated that your purchasing power is just ridiculously losing itself? And what are you having to do to go and earn this 20 years ago to go and earn this? The same, if not more. Probably not, no, wouldn't. When you're putting the same sort of hours in, but are you getting paid? Are you, 1, 2, 3, 4, are you earning 6 times more than what you did 20 years ago? Well, I'm not, that's for sure. So, yes, these sort of little exercises in my mind when I'm looking at it, I know they're approximate, but it does highlight, I wouldn't take it as gospel, go and do your own research, but it's these little things that make me think what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. Is there a better answer? Is this the better bet over time? You know, because this hasn't changed, still 4 ounces. Still 4 ounces. But purchasing power is rapidly going. And we are not, definitely, well, maybe some of you are. Good luck to you as well. Well, I'm personally not earning 6 times more today than what I did 20 years ago. So, yeah, I don't think I'm overly exaggerating that. Yeah, you can probably get out your pencils and your rulers and mark it up the same, but these are the things I look at. And yeah, give or take a few pounds even, it still reflects the same thing. So these are one of the reasons why I'm trying to do this. But, that's no guarantee, because at the end of the day, we're going to have to still probably use this currency in the future. I don't know what denomination it's going to be in. I don't know whether it's just going to, if you carry on with those inflated rates, something's got to go bang at some point. Something's got to give. Or the powers that be are going to come up with something miraculous for us all to go and live in this debt paper spiral bubble again. I really don't know. But anyway, my thoughts on, I thought I'd just show what I look at, how I look at it. This stuff, well, is it worth the paper it's written on? Or is this some sort of protection? Maybe. But purchasing power, guys, definitely being dwindled away from us. And I hope it changes at some point. So anyway, yeah, that was a quickie. But yeah, food for thought. I think always go and do your research. Don't ever take what I'm saying as gospel, because what do I know? I don't know much. But logically, that makes a bit of sense. Yeah, you can drum down the figures and be a lot more accurate than what I've just done with this. But I think you'll find that the results will speak for themselves. So yeah, this stuff's precious. This stuff could be even more precious. You've got to try and do what you can do. Anyway, that's me just showing you how I think a little bit, logically, and that helps me make certain decisions and value what I've got a little bit more than just the dwithering, horrible. Well, it's not horrible; it's essential for most of us. But yeah, this stuff's in trouble. I don't know what the answer is, but I hope someone comes up with a good answer soon before it all becomes. This is very attractive, though, isn't it? Got lovely designs on it. What a waste. But yeah, looking cool. And the sad thing is, I've got to go and put this in the lovely bank tomorrow, and then I might as well just kiss it goodbye forever. Anyway, that's another story. See you later. Take care of yourselves. Bye. Yeah, me again. I just wanted to add to this. The other thing to think about as well, in today, this is worth this much. You know, so the spin side of it is, this is still 4 ounces, which was only worth this much 20 years ago. This is the flip side of it. Today it's worth this. But when you really think about it, what's this actually worth? That's what I should have put across a little bit more. So yeah, these haven't changed. Still 4 ounces, as I said. When you're buying it, you was buying it for this. Now you've got to buy it with this today. 20 years ago, today. But its value, back in currency terms in the UK, is this. But it was only this. But was this worth more to you 20 years ago in reflection to what this is worth today? And they're the things you've got to work out in your mind. Purchasing power. You know, this compared with this, compared with this. And these are the rabbit holes you go down. And if you go down them in time, the penny starts to click. It all starts to click. And there isn't an answer to any of this, really. But it's about trying to use what you can do to protect yourself when this goes crazy. If it ever goes crazy. Well, it has gone crazy. When you look at this exercise I've done, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So where's the value? And they're the questions you've got to ask yourself. Where's the value? Long term. Here, hasn't changed. 20 years, that's the change. From that to this. But that hasn't changed at all. Still the same. In fiat, that's the difference. But what's it worth? Philosophy, psychology, look at it all, educate yourself. Then you'll come up with the right decisions, and then you'll spend your money, invest your money, probably a little bit differently because you're looking at it all differently. Anyway, that's it. Can't go any more. What do I know? You take good care. See you later. Bye.